Meron ng noticeable, pero not too, meron ako nakita, pero not noticeable. Nasilip ko siya. Yan, Kibishina, strict check, no? Ayan, medyo yellowish na po yung dito niya. Yellowish. Wala naman mga open yung kanyang pipings. Yan, medyo may yellowish on the side. Yan, yellowish on the top. Yan. Ayan. And, yan, bumababa ang salamin ng matanda. Ayan, inside, still clean and no smell pa naman. Christian Dior stamp, tag, and invoiced data code. Ayan siya sa likod. Made in Spain. Ayan. This is saddle bag ng Christian Dior.